Wow, you saw my intro trailer. This just scratches the surface in this video of all the amazing culture while you're visiting Japan. So let's check it out right now, some of the things I experienced. You can experience this Hello Kitty train from Osaka Airport down to Osaka if you would like to try it out. It's like old school first class or business class on a plane, and you see they're really wide, and then you pick the seat online if you want, or you ask at the kiosk if you want a window. And these are 2x2, but if you go in the ordinary class or second class, it's going to be 3x3, I think, and they're going to be a smaller area to sit down. So this is where we just came from, out here on the platform. Shinkansen, Japan, awesome. You gotta love it. I say do it at least once. There goes the Shinkansen. It's a great system, and the train goes pretty much everywhere, either speed rail or local train around Japan, so you might want to do that. If you hadn't done it, I encourage you to take a trip to Japan. It's a cool country. There it goes. Vending game, claw, and like win a prize type places. Families come here when their day's off, so I would say come here during the week. I want Kirby too. It's just endless. Big old room. I don't understand why. I guess it's a bigger, like a special, commemorative edition or special, what do you call it? Limited line packaging, like UFO. If you didn't know, is a noodle brand. Why would you come in here and spend more money to play for that? I mean, I see this big one, but like the smaller box, I don't get that. You're playing for dried snack rice. Why would you waste? I don't understand it. I guess because it's a special box, or like, you know what I mean, like a limited line run of that product. Only thing I can figure out. Alright, I'm going to try to win maybe Mario or Crash Bandicoot or something like that, or maybe over here there's a SpongeBob, a smaller. That's what I want. I want one of these Mario ones. You got the claw right here. So one plays 200, then 500. So 200 would be what? I don't know. You're gonna have it'd be like $1.50, and then a 5 play would be like, I don't know, $3.50 or something. Go a bit too early. All right. I tried to get Kirby. I wanted Kirby right here. You see the Kirby? I couldn't get it. And that noise you're hearing over here is Mario Kart. We're in Namco. All right, let's go over here and check it out. We got something else. God, I want a Kirby. Game's really fun. Have you ever played the new Kirby? There's several games.
All right, let's walk around in here. Maybe I'll try it again, but you get the idea here. Try it. Maybe a vending machine. I'll find something I want. I tried to get Kirby earlier. It's like a big pillow kind of thing, but it didn't work out. I couldn't spend more than about, you know, whatever, $10 on it. You know, it's like, I mean, I wasn't 10. I got up to what, about $3. I was like, you get the drift in here. There's a cool place. You need to check it out. Come over here to this area, and I will put the link in the description. And this is a lot of cool shops over here, and you can get out of the weather too. So, all right. See you later. See you later.
If you don't make it to one of the amusement parks, go check out one of the themed pop culture Japanese stores. They're all over the place, mainly in Tokyo. There is some at Diver City, there's some at the Sky Tree. So get in there and check out your favorite pop culture.
There's a lot of cool stuff and exhibits at Diver City, including one of the main Gundam stores and gift shops. So go check it out. It's just awesome.
This one right here is beef, and it's like spicy. It looked interesting, so I got it. Comes with steamed rice, and you can get like add a soda. I think it comes with a little miso. Now this is courage. It's like a seasoned breaded chicken, I think. So I think they might incorporate something in it, like seaweed or something. I'm not sure though, but it's seasoned. But anyway, they're having all my food here at this place, and we're in this food court in Diver City, Tokyo. You might want to Google that if you want to come over. Now it is a busy place. It is Sunday, so I would come over here during the week. So if you don't think you can eat affordably in, you know, Japan, you're wrong, because see, that's a big bowl of food right there for between $6 to $8. So, okay, American. So anyway, and then we got one right behind us that is another place that has the Japanese curry rice and katsu, and then some other things, some noodle and ramen. This is more of a kind of a lower end diner, but you know, the prices, I mean, God, you got like $4 or $5 you can eat in this one. These little diners on the corner of these streets. So get away from some of the tourist area. Walk a few streets over. Look on Google Maps or whatever. See what the reviews. As long as no one's saying nothing really bad, occasionally they'll have a bad review because somebody was unhappy that day about something. You can eat cheaper. Once you're in the country and exchange your money into yen, you'll find you'll save some money. Last couple years, got a little sushi bar in there, which is great stuff in here. Pretty good stuff, and it's gonna be more, but it looks like it's quality, and these guys look like they're professionals, and they even have like a little advertisement about the, you know, the tuna and the fish. And they're letting you know, hey, this is the you know, legit stuff over here. So I figured I'd splurge a little bit and see the price, but you know, hey, you know, you're gonna have to pay for good fish, you know what I mean? Japan without having some sushi, right? Got some tempura. This is a tempura place. Looks good. That's not real food, but you know, it's giving you an example of what you're gonna get. Here's some of the prices. Great things are these creme brulee kind of things. They're pretty good. So if I want to pick some of these up right here, these things right here, they're pretty good. If you like sweets, if you don't like sweets, they got all these different cookies and crackers. I don't think you see this place, Cow ice cream. If you want a good ice cream, or you want a little milk cheese, I don't know, Eclair donut thing, they're pretty good. Boshi, okay, Boshi, they're pretty good. I might even get one right now. So they got the different things. You'll see these chains scattered around Tokyo and a couple other places in Asia. It's pretty good. Cow ice and eel. Okay. So eel and rice like eel. There's a certain there's a certain taste to it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, I mean, occasionally I'll have it. And then you got steak. You know, they're famous for their beef here in Japan. So if you want to get you some steak, or it looks like, oh, they got yakisoba, fried noodle. I like that. See the yakisoba? It looks good, but you're paying a little bit more than you would on the streets. Probably half that on a street corner, what I call working man's diner, Japanese diner. And then you got the curry. And anyway, you get the drift here.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share the video, and I appreciate you watching. Take care.